Hello friends, today we will discuss the difference between gross domestic product, that is GDP, and gross national product, that is GNP. Gross domestic product measures the total market value of all final goods and services produced within a country's territory borders during a specific period, regardless of the nationality of the producer. Gross national product, that is GNP, measures the total market value of all final goods and services produced by the residents of a country, including their income from abroad during a specific period. So, the key difference between GDP, which is within the country, and GNP is GDP plus income earned by nationals abroad and income earned by foreigners within the country. So GDP is within the country domestic production and GNP is GDP plus income earned by the nationals abroad and income earned by foreigners within the country. So there is significant difference. We can understand with an example. If an Indian company operates in the USA and earns rupees 100 crore profit, this amount is included in India's GNP, but not in the GDP. Similarly, if a foreign company earns rupees 50 crore in India, it is included in India's GDP, but excluded from its GNP. So I think it is clear the difference between GDP and GNP.